Hello, today I'm going to show you how to erase cameos on Snapchat. Let's start. Open up Snapchat. Go into your profile icon from the top left corner. Click on Settings from the top right corner. Scroll down in Settings. Tap on Cameos. Then click on Clear My Cameos Selfie. When you click on it, it asks you to press Clear if you're sure to remove the cameos. Now the Cameo selfie is cleared. You can click to create Cameo selfie to upload the new one. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.